Hi guys, I am Wana from the Midnight Mouse, and this seems to be my returning for a long time without filming anything. And this is my first doll in a long time for this year. Again, I am maintaining one of my personal traditions. Each time around Halloween, I am getting maybe a Gorjuss doll, and for now, this is my second one in 2025. And I recently learned about this rubyred friends and Gorjuss partnership, and I felt that my dream come true, having a articulated Gorjuss doll. So yes, here she is. My model of choice for now was Pocket Full of Sunshine. Now I don't have to customize one. I simply found the perfect Gorjuss doll to start this new collection. And wow, this package is amazing. It's an experience, I tell you. Oh my god. Oh, look at her curls. These are amazing wig. I'm so excited. Okay, we'll look at her together. I'm also curious if she smells like honeysuckle. No, unfortunately she has no smell like the original Gorjuss doll, or those made by Santoro at least. So yes, no smell, which is not a big issue. I was just very curious about it. Okay, I don't know how to do this without the vinyl itself. Feels amazing. So here she is. Okay, so we have this gorgeous little curls. I love it. The gorgeous face with a bit of blushing on her cheeks. The head moves all around. Although I feel like it needs a bit more creep, but on vinyl adding hot glue for sueding, it's really not a good idea. In my experience, that becomes very sticky in a very short time because of a chemical reaction between the hot glue and the vinyl. So I might need to find a different method and a different kind of adhesive to do this, because otherwise it's not ruining the vinyl by any means, or at least I haven't had hot glue on vinyl for that much of a long time to have issues with staining vinyl or something, but it's melting and gets very gooey and sticky, and it's very hard to take off, honestly, and that's the painful part. Okay, back to Pocket Full of Sunshine. We have the star hands, which I love, and a joint at the elbow. I don't have a rubyred doll, just so for me, guys, it's the first time when I'm getting a feel of those two. Oh, she also has much more motion in the upper part of her arm, so she can hold many positions. And she can naturally wave. Okay, there is no joint in the torso as I feel, but she has hip joint, so the swivel, but she can also do a lateral flip. It feels like she has elastic And then, yeah, she does have elastic. And then the knee is articulated. She can hold the simple position here, and no articulation at the feet. We'll look at her body quite soon, but first of all, let's look again a bit on this gorgeous, gorgeous little outfit. Oh my god, she is adorable. I plan to take her out and take some pictures with her, and till then I will also show her in comparison with the standard Gorjuss doll. I have Ruby for now, and another second-hand find from a dear friend of mine, which I would like to customize. I'm actually experimenting on that one. She's not ready yet, but I might have a little boy. I find joy in having a little gorgeous boy, honestly, and again, since those cannot be found, I am very happy and eager to customize one. So this is her upper part of the dress, her top dress, and it's really nicely done, like all Gorjuss doll clothes and accessories, and ruby red too. I like them. I am eager to see her dressed in other colors too. Okay, let's take the shoes. These are beautiful, very nicely made. I find these shoes are way better than the original Gorjuss ones, like design and finishing, and I will show you right away what I mean by that. So the old shoes, for example, they don't have a seam, a finishing seam or anything. Okay, they are flats, of course, but they do not have this kind of details, these seams. So they are well put together, but look much more simple. So her little socks and the scalloped little feet, the gorgeous feet. Santoro. So as I said, there is no joint here on the foot, but that's not a problem. She is jointed enough. And okay, we have Velcro in the back of her t-shirt. So here it is, the t-shirt. Oh, these are so beautifully finished. Lately I find that clothes for us humans honestly are not meeting this quality right now, at least not those more affordable that you can find on fast fashion like H&M or other big brands are losing their quality, but these, if we could fit in them, would be a nice option. Oh, we don't have Velcro on the skirt, we only have this thingy, I forgot the name of it. Oh, she has petticoats. This is her beautiful skirt, well made, and a gorgeous pink color. And her petticoat, which is on elastic. So this means it can slide off. Yep. And a pair of really cute bloomers. So this is her new body, at least for this model. I love this neck detail, the sculpture of it, that's beautiful. And look how her joints are made. This is why she can hold the positions and have lots of swivel. Of course, there is no chest joint as on the BJD dolls. And let's look here a bit. Okay, ooh, she has cute thighs. And this is how her joint looks. So yeah, basically that's it. I would see one customized into a boy too. They are very neutral in the way their body are made. But aside that, it's not that important maybe sometimes. But aside that, I don't know. I like her taller figure. And I think it would look really nice customized as a boy too. So she has very little movement in the knee, and this one, for example, doesn't hold it. So I don't know, I'm inclined now, for example, to cut a bit more on this part, just because it will allow more bend, more movement without having this look. So if we cut deeper on the back of her knee, we have more bending, and we also avoid the knee popping up. Oh, that's how she looks from the socket. So that's what I've done, honestly, with the vinyl articulated bodies of the Paola Reina dolls, the original ones. I'm always cutting in the knee, in the back of the knees, and here on the front of the elbow, just because they can give them much more movement. But I do not intend to do this with the Gorjuss dolls. I will enjoy them as they are. Maybe I will. I'm curious how the head is how the head is attached to the body. Doesn't feel like an elastic though, or I don't know, it might not be an elastic, but her neck is very long. Yes, so this is it. I will dress her back and return with a comparison between the articulated Gorjuss dolls and the original ones. In my case, I have Ruby. See you later.